Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome back, guys. So today we are playing back jailbreak again, so let's jump right into it. Today they buffed the police thing by a lot, but my exams are going on, so I was not able to record. And as you guys can see, there is a lot of hot air menus in here. Let me just quickly change my avatar. So, and the game the jailbreak server is lagging. The Chrome server is lagging, so I think we have to play with this avatar, but this avatar is a very bad avatar for jailbreak. Let me just really quickly change my avatar, and guys, I changed my avatar, so I should be able to reset my character, and I should be in the newer avatar, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yes, and 12 second, 15 second jail. This server is why is this server so laggy? It was not laggy at the start. Oh no, we have some very good scores on our hands, and I have 100,000. You might be wondering, I had 600,000, so how I got to 100? The answer to that is, just wait, I will show you guys. Is there a hacker in this server? Wait, let me just quickly try the glitch to get to the helicopter. And the fall map is really beautiful. Okay, I was hoping if I could get the helicopter, but fine. Let me just really quickly stand up and run. And I don't know if this fall map hot air balloons can do anything, but still. Let me just quickly go ahead to the gun store and get some guns. Then I will show you guys what I spent all my money on. And so we are near to the we are near to the gun store. So let me just quickly get the guns, and then I will show you guys what I bought from the that will qualify what I bought from the, if I say. And yes, I bought the rocket launcher also, but the rocket launcher is every time if I want to reload the rocket launcher, I have to buy the rockets, and those rockets cost me $10,000 each. So let me just quickly show you guys. There is a new update, so they added the M12 Mountain M12. This is a very good and very fast car. It is faster than a Lamborghini, but it is slower than the Chiron, although, and the Tesla Roadster. And for some reason, no, I don't have this vehicle. Don't tell me that he locked it. Yes, I'm going to do this until he gives up. I'm going to run. If he comes behind me, then it is better. So just go over here and just quickly over here to my car, and then no, he's hacking. He teleported to me. He's definitely hacking. That's why I hate this VIP server, public servers, but I don't have any more VIP servers, so wait a second. Who arrested me? Okay, it does not show. But why, man? That's going very good and you arrested me. Guys, I will be back whenever I get the whenever I escape the jail properly and I'm able to get all the new vehicles. So till then, I am not going to mute myself. I will talk. Let me just see and the cage does not work properly every time. Let me just go ahead here and then see now. Okay, I think yes, someone is sitting over there. Let me just quickly. Okay, it did not work. Okay, why it is not working? Oh, I think I have to escape the proper way and just run and just go over here. Now lag, then over here and then C jump. I need a car. Hello, cargo friend, can you drop a car? Oh no, police is coming. Run. And just quickly get the... Wait a second, that time I had guns now. So why didn't I shot the cops? If I shot that cop. Oh, I took that AKM. Okay, this is an normal friendly. So let me just turn it around. I hope not a single cop comes, or else I'm going to be dead. No, not dead. I will be arrested. Why I'm getting backwards when I press W? Okay, let me just quickly get the M12 molten, then and just customize and don't no UFO. Oh, why M12? You just UFO on me. Never ever UFO on me. And I forgot to told you guys, the city map is fully changed. The volcano exploded and destroyed this city. And okay, I thought that was a cop. Why my W key was not working? Let me just quickly lock it. There's one problem with this M12 mountain. I thought that was a cop again. Let me just quickly rob it and rob Bad CC. Bad CC, are you going to be broke CC today? And I think no. Okay, he's in broke CC today also. And let me just quickly go over here and means there was a guy means in Twitter there is a guy it's that loved is the that likes the Dinodian that is a car. If you ever seen that Dinodian what knows you can search it. And Dinodian it is a gun that can fly, and there is a cop, so let me just quickly wreck that cop and Uzi and just quickly no shotgun. Thank you. And did you drop a keycard? Thank you. And just quickly and let me just put the AKM at the last because that is the worst gun. And quickly why it did not the M12 voltage did not used to miss. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys I got this nuclear skin, that radium yellow. I have the footage of that. I will show you guys getting that radium yellow skin. And let me just quickly go to the okay. I thought it was going to UFO again. And just oh, definitely someone is hacking. See, the bounty is getting collected by only one man. Anyone who has a bounty gets collected. I think over 300 bounties getting collected. No. Okay, let me just go ahead to the museum and YM12 Mountain M12, sorry. Okay, the helicopter is over here, so no one is robbing the museum, so okay. Everyone is I'm going to die soon. Let me why I'm going over here. Sorry guys, I have not played jailbreak for my long time. And the fall map is like a normal map but only yellow in color. There I think if I'm not wrong, they are going to add an new robbery, and I fall from the stairs. If I'm not wrong, in November update they are going to add a new robbery. If I'm not wrong, I could be wrong. They need to add new robberies or buff the banks and jewelry store, because especially means the power plant. It is hard but it does not give that much money than it is supposed to, and only in 6,000 you can deliver, but I don't have the means I need the blade or the military helicopter to get full money from the means what is called from the power plant. And let me just quickly log my helicopter. Okay, someone just oofed in the power plant. Why I'm so getting stuck. And just let me quickly go down, and it is better to just get the jetpack like this. Let me just okay, I have half fuel. Let me just quickly close your chat. And why do I feel like the helicopter is going slow now? For some reason I feel like the helicopter is going slower. And just quickly check for the J store. Okay, please, is it closed? Okay, it is closed. just let me quickly check for the bank. Okay, if I'm not wrong, they are going to rob the power plant museum, sorry. And just let me, okay, they already started to rob it. Just quickly go down. I just really oofed there. I promise if my character has just ragdoll there, then I will be dead. I took a Basisi and now a Fimo, and no, will he die? Oh, he's definitely going. How is he still alive? Do you need any help? Oh no, there is a cop. Okay. Cop, you are not going to get me today. Bye. I feel bad for those. Yes, okay, it is the same guy. Okay, I'm going to deliver the money. I thought I should rob the power plant, but no, I don't feel like robbing the power plant now. Because I only have 6,000 if I started robbing power plant, and if I get arrested, then I am going to lose 10,000. So no. And there is new 1 million vehicle coming in November, so I'm going to save up for it and possibly buy it. So guys, I think the time is nearly over, so let me just quickly check. Yes, the time is over, only 2 minutes left. So now I'm going to do the I'm going to rob a lot of banks, and you are going to get the montage. Kill montage means robbery montage. So enjoy.